Whiskey 4, Charlie Hotel.
Kilo Echo.
Whiskey 4 station. Whiskey 4 station, come back with your call sign.
It's Whiskey 4, Charlie Hotel. W4 Charlie Hotel. Over.
Whiskey 4 Charlie Hotel, what's your location, sir?
I'm on the coast of North Carolina, little town of Emerald Isle. I'm right here on the coast near Morehead City. Over.
Roger, roger. Now, I had thought about putting a North Carolina SDR in there, but I didn't, unfortunately. I think that would probably help just a little bit, although your signal looks to be about a 7 over noise level, 7 or 8 over noise level, so that's a good signal, Roger.
Yeah, you're about an S9 to 10 over, something like that here. Anyway, I'm just a few hundred feet back from the ocean, and I'm between Morehead City and Jacksonville. Of course, Jacksonville, North Carolina is where Camp McHugh is located, so I'm kind of in between there. And I'm running about legal limits and the 7610 ICOM, over.
Oh, Roger. Well, you sprung for the Big Daddy, Roger.
Well, I don't know. This is I got the first one back in January, and I had some issues with it. I sent it back and got a refund, and I guess I've had this one now for about maybe, I don't know, 2 or 3 months, something like that. So far, so good, over.
Roger, roger. Well, you know, that radio has an interesting item called a drive control. If you go to quick, hit quick, that'll take you to the drive menu adjustment, and that is when you advance that drive, you reduce your dynamic range, and when you reduce your dynamic range, it just fattens your audio signal up immensely. Right now you're running about a 3 dB to 3.5 dB dynamic range. With that drive control, you can advance that clockwise and probably take that audio to about a, well, you can take it to a 0.5 dB if you want to go that far, but probably a dB and a half would be just an even fatter signal than what you have, Roger.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm familiar with that. I'm not sure what it's set on right now, but anyway, I've just been listening here. I wanted to give you a call, and you had a great signal here. Seems like the band is in pretty good shape. I don't get on 40 very often. I really don't have much of an antenna. I've got a little delta loop. It's not very high off the ground. I guess the apex of it is up about, I don't know, 18 feet, something like that. And we had a lot of damage here with the circuit fran, and had a lot of damage to my house. We're just now kind of getting pretty much the house repaired. I lost all of my antennas. I had a TH11 on the tower and broke the boom in half, and the elements looked like spaghetti. So anyway, at least we're back on the air, over.
Oh, roger that. I'm sorry to hear all that. It's nothing worse than, having to almost start from scratch, particularly if you got a bunch of antennas there and stuff. But the main thing, though, is that you have your lives intact, and if you and your health, nobody got tremendously injured, and so if you have that, then you have the capability of fixing everything else, Roger.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Well, I had some damage, and looking around at a lot of the other places here have a lot more damage than I have, so I guess I'm kind of lucky. Had a couple of feet of water in the first level. Anyway, all is good. Life is good. Jim, thanks a lot. Nice to say hi to you. And I'll say 73, and thanks for letting me stop by. I didn't get your call. I didn't write it down, and my memory's not like it used to be. Old gray mare's not what she used to be, Jim. 73, W4CH.
Roger, roger. And what's the name there, please?
The name is Clint, C-L-I-N-T, Jim.
Roger, Clint. Well, we are recording, air checking, and if you would like to hear your audio, we'll be posting this in the next couple of days. So if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor, that is our will take you to our Qso-Vlog page, and on that page you'll be looking for a session called My Group AIRCHECK 11119. My Group AIRCHECK Today's date, 1/11/19. Roger?
Okay, Jim, got it. Sure thing. Okay, got it. Thanks a lot. KC9 Victor Kilo Victor W4 Charlie Hotel. Have a good weekend, Jim. 7-3.
Roger, Roger. Clint-3 is that away, sir, and you have yourself a real good evening, and hopefully all the things that you have to rebuild goes well, and is not major effort. So 3s to you, and we'll catch you later. If you get a chance, check in next Friday. We'd love to hear you. This is KC9VKV in the Qso-Vlog page. If you have a radio you want to check the audio, give us a shout. We are recording.